Welcome to AutoBuzz, the channel where motorcycle enthusiasts find deep, detailed, and honest reviews of the latest rides from around the world. Today we're taking a closer look at one of Suzuki's most exciting new releases, the Suzuki GSX-8T, a motorcycle that blends sport touring comfort with the punch of modern performance. The GSX-8T is designed for riders who love long, comfortable journeys but don't want to give up sporty handling or advanced technology. It represents Suzuki's fresh direction in the middleweight touring segment, powerful, practical, and packed with features. In this review, we'll explore everything that makes the GSX-8T special: its design, engine, handling, technology, comfort, and what kind of rider it's made for. Suzuki's midweight evolution for decades. Suzuki's GSX series has stood for a mix of everyday usability and thrilling performance. Models like the GSX-R brought track-inspired precision to the road, while the V-Strom family became favorites among long-distance travelers. The GSX-8T arrives as a bridge between those worlds, a sport tourer that takes the comfort and stability of the V-Strom and pairs it with the athletic personality of the GSX lineup. Suzuki wanted to create a machine for riders who prefer paved roads but still need a motorcycle capable of devouring miles comfortably. The 8T fills that gap perfectly, showing how the brand continues to evolve without losing its classic reliability and simplicity. Design and styling. Dynamic and modern at first glance, the GSX-8T instantly looks like a machine built for long-distance confidence. Its sharp fairing lines, sleek LED lighting, and muscular tank give it a bold, futuristic appearance. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It channels air efficiently around the rider to minimize fatigue during highway travel. The front end carries Suzuki's new signature LED headlamp setup with vertically stacked projectors, surrounded by daytime running lights that enhance visibility. From the side, the proportions are balanced, not too tall like an adventure bike, yet upright enough to promise touring comfort. Suzuki's design team focused on a cohesive aesthetic, clean, purposeful, and functional. The windshield is adjustable, the seat flows smoothly into the tail section, and even the mirrors are shaped to reduce turbulence. With premium paint options and subtle graphics, the GSX-8T carries an elegant, road-focused stance that appeals to both new and experienced riders. Engine and performance. The 776cc parallel. Twin-powering the GSX-8T is Suzuki's new 776cc parallel twin engine, the same motor that powers the GSX-8S and the V-Strom 800. It produces around 82 horsepower and 78 Nm of torque, striking a near-perfect balance between lively acceleration and smooth delivery. Suzuki engineered this engine with its 270-degree crankshaft, giving it a character and exhaust note similar to a V-twin. It feels engaging at every throttle input, from gentle commuting to spirited highway pulls. The cross-balancer system, Suzuki's proprietary dual counterbalancer setup, minimizes vibrations and makes the engine incredibly refined. Even at high revs, the result is a motor that's equally happy cruising at 100 km/h in 6th gear as it is being pushed through twisty back roads. The GSX-8T's power band is broad and forgiving, making it accessible to intermediate riders while still exciting for seasoned ones. Transmission and rider aids. The GSX-8T uses a 6-speed transmission paired with Suzuki's bi-directional quick-shifter, allowing seamless clutch-free upshifts and downshifts. This technology, once reserved for high-end performance machines, comes standard on the 8T and adds significant comfort on long rides. The bike also includes Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, which integrates multiple electronic assists, 3 ride modes that adjust throttle response and power, delivery. Traction control with adjustable levels for various road conditions. ABS for safer braking on wet or slippery surfaces. These aids give the rider confidence and flexibility, letting you tailor the bike's behavior to your riding style and environment, whether it's an easy cruise, sporty weekend twisties, or a rain-soaked commute. Chassis and handling. Suzuki designed the GSX-8T around a tubular steel frame that offers a mix of rigidity and comfort. The geometry ensures stable, predictable handling while keeping the bike agile in traffic. Suspension duties are handled by KYB 43mm inverted front forks and a link-type rear monoshock. both offering preload adjustment. This allows riders to fine-tune their setup depending on load and riding preference. Solo commuting, spirited riding, or two-up touring with luggage. On the road, the GSX-8T feels composed and balanced. Steering is light yet precise, and the bike inspires confidence through corners. Suzuki's engineers managed to keep the curb weight around 218 kilograms, which helps it feel stable on highways without being intimidating at low speeds. The combination of supple suspension and balanced geometry makes the GSX-8T suitable for a wide range of conditions, from smooth expressways to uneven backroads, braking and safety braking. Performance comes from dual 310mm front discs with radial mount 4-piston calipers, paired with a single 260mm rear disc. The system provides strong progressive stopping power and excellent feel at the lever. ABS works subtly in the background, intervening only when necessary, and it's tuned for both everyday and touring scenarios. Suzuki's goal with the GSX-8T's braking system was confidence, the feeling that no matter the road surface or weather, you're always in control. Technology and connectivity. Modern riders expect smart features, and the GSX-8T delivers. At the center of the cockpit is a bright 5-inch full-color TFT display, offering crisp graphics and customizable layouts. It clearly presents speed, RPM, gear position, fuel range, riding mode, traction control level, and more. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their smartphones for turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and music control. Suzuki also includes a USB charging port near the dashboard, keeping devices powered during long rides. The bike's LED lighting system not only looks modern but also improves nighttime visibility. The taillight and indicators follow the same clean, minimal theme, contributing to both safety and aesthetics. Comfort and ergonomics. Touring with ease, a true sport tourer must prioritize comfort, and Suzuki has done its homework. The seat is wide, supportive, and positioned for a neutral, upright posture. The handlebars are slightly raised, reducing pressure on the wrists, and the foot pegs are placed to allow natural leg positioning during long hours in the saddle. The windshield offers adjustable height, and combined with the aerodynamic fairing, it reduces buffeting and keeps wind noise low. These design elements make the GSX-8T comfortable even at highway speeds. Passenger comfort has not been forgotten. The rear seat is well padded with practical grab rails. Whether it's solo commuting or two-up touring, the GSX-8T maintains composure and comfort throughout the ride. Fuel economy and range. Suzuki's engineering efficiency pays off in fuel consumption. The GSX-8T averages around 22 to 24 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style. With a 20-liter fuel tank, the real-world range easily crosses 400 kilometers on a full tank. This efficiency means fewer fuel stops and more uninterrupted adventure, an essential trait for long-distance touring. Maintenance and reliability. One of Suzuki's strongest advantages is reliability. The GSX-8T's engine has proven robust in both the GSX-8S and V-Strom 800, with low running costs and long service intervals. Routine maintenance like oil changes, filters, and chain adjustments are straightforward, and Suzuki's global service network ensures parts availability almost anywhere. For riders planning to keep their motorcycle for years, the GSX-8T offers peace of mind. It's engineered for endurance, not just performance. Real-world riding experience. Out on the road, the GSX-8T quickly earns the rider's trust. In city traffic, its smooth, low-end torque makes it easy to navigate congested streets. The clutch action is light, and the quick shifter reduces fatigue. On the open highway, the engine hums at a relaxed rhythm while the aerodynamic bodywork keeps wind pressure low. Overtakes are effortless. Simply roll on the throttle, and the torque responds instantly. Through twisty back roads, the GSX-8T feels composed and eager. It leans naturally and holds its line confidently. The suspension strikes that rare balance between plush comfort and sporty responsiveness. It's a motorcycle that adapts to your mood. Calm when you cruise, thrilling when you push. Rivals in market position in the midweight touring segment. The GSX-8T competes with machines such as the Yamaha Tracer 7, Kawasaki Ninja 650 Tourer, and Honda NT1100. Compared to the Tracer 7, the Suzuki feels more refined, with better electronics and smoother engine manners. The Ninja 650 Tourer offers sporty looks but lacks the same level of comfort and advanced features found on the GSX-8T. against the Honda NT1100